This past weekend, I was at a personal mastermind, and one of the people that were speaking were talking about exiting businesses. I'm always telling you guys that when you start your online Amazon business, or any business for that matter, that you should start with the end in mind. And what I mean by that is that you should start your business, structure your business, and run your business as if you're getting ready to sell it. That way, if that day comes and that offer presents itself, you're ready, you're not rushing around, you're not saying, I wish I did this, I wish I did that, or kicking yourself in the rear for not doing something. And one of the biggest takeaways that I got from this gentleman is investors want to see sustainable growth, which means if it's 10%, 20%, 30% month after month, that's good. They don't want to see 0 to 100 back down to 20 to 50 to 70, which is called volatility. Even though if you look at the 12-month period, you're still up, they still don't like that inconsistency, and this could affect your valuation. So something that I really took into effect and that I'm doing in one of my businesses now is instead of like machine gunning it and just hammering it to grow it as fast as possible, what happens is when you do that, you get the spike and then you go back down and you flatline, and then you'll get another spike with these different advertising strategies that we're doing. What I'm focusing on now is literally trying to sustainably grow our brand. So I want you to think about that when you're starting your company, when you're starting your business. So many people go hard for their launch to get their product ranked, and then they back off once they start to make money. So think about consistency and think about sustainability with your company and with your sales metrics, because this is gonna help with your evaluation. Another thing is you wanna start working on projections, and that's another reason why you want a nice sustainable growth month after month, because if you can show a sustainable 10%, 20 or 30% growth month after month, now what's gonna happen is when you give your investor, or you give the people that may wanna purchase your company a projection of the future numbers, they're gonna believe you because they've seen for the trailing 12 or the last 12 months, you grew 10% a month or 30% a month or whatever that number is, so they can see realistically, okay, it makes sense that he'll do X, Y, Z in the next 12, 24, 36, because investors are looking at the future. Now, I suggest that a lot of you guys take a look at Empire Flippers. This is like one that's available for everyone. It's kind of like a broker where you can sell e-commerce businesses, specifically Amazon businesses. So you can take a look at the numbers, you can see how the business works, the process works. But ultimately, when you're gonna get ready to sell your business, especially if it's for big money, you wanna deal with an investment banker, you wanna deal with a broker or somebody individually that actually does this, so you don't get taken to the cleaners. So hopefully this helps, guys. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.